Isn't that absolutely amazing? Well, I'm sure each one of you is as amazed as I am. And I'm sure that everybody is going to contribute to the cause generously. Just to let you all know, we have an envelope placed on every table. Any charity, any kind of contribution is truly appreciated. Ladies and gentlemen, Thomas Fuller once said that charity must begin at home but should not end there. So I know that everybody here today is definitely going to make a difference. Well, ladies and gentlemen, and that was about the noble cause that the awards are attached with. But now, moving into the agenda for this evening. We have so much lined up for you. As I've been continuously saying that tonight is going to be more spectacular, brighter, more memorable. So let me tell you all that tonight we are going to have the amazing awards, followed with some truly mind-blowing entertainment. And after this, each one of you is going to be served with some sumptuous meal from the amazing caterers of the Taj Palace. To begin with, ladies and gentlemen, tonight we will be acknowledging the exceptional six in a range of categories, including charity, education, media, sport, business, and seva, as well as our very prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award. On behalf of the Sikh Directory, I would like to take this humble opportunity to thank this year's judging panel, which faces a challenging and truly humbling task each year in reviewing the numerous nominations for each category and shortlisting the winners. However, I must also congratulate all the nominees that were put forward. Let's have a big round of applause for all the nominees for this evening. It truly takes a lot to be a part and be a nominee in itself. To complement this international occasion, we have one of the world's biggest community television channels that are covering tonight's event. Filmed by the PTC TV network, it is to be aired globally later this year. Now, the concept of the Sikh Awards was conceptualized by Navdeep Singh Bansal in the year 2010. Navdeep Singh is the founder of the hugely successful Sikh Group of companies. The Sikh Group consists of the Sikh Business Directory, the Sikh 100 Power List, and the Sikh Awards. Through these ventures, he continues to spread the awareness of the successes achieved within the Sikh community throughout the world. He is in a unique position of being supported by global brands and successful businesses. From everyone who is a part of the Sikh Awards, we would like to thank Navdeep for having this vision, drive, and inspiration to make tonight possible. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to commence the proceedings officially, and to do so, I would like to welcome on stage Mr. Navdeep Singh to kindly say a few words with a big, big round of applause.